Okay.
Okay, I'm pinging you one link. You can just go to that particular link and you have to download the community edition. Okay, the ID integrated development environment, like which we'll be using for like development of our Python application. So we can opt for the PyCharm community edition, which is a free version, which is free to use for us. Okay, and there is one more thing. Okay, hello.
Okay.
Yeah, at least respond in chat. If you are uncomfortable with speaking, you can say yes or no over chat as well until you guys get used to this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. By the end of the class, we'll be closing these things, right? Will be these things will be installed here, and then we can proceed with the this installation and how you can make use of these things. Okay. And just accept these license terms and agreements and just click on that. It will bring up the PyCharm home console for us. Okay, this is the PyCharm window which you will have with you. So in PyCharm, each and everything will be organized into projects. Okay, project is nothing but a folder. So to start with our practice, just click on new project and you have this path. If you are not comfortable with this, you can just choose any like data desktop location. So for now, I am going with the desktop location. Okay, I have user and then I have desktop. In desktop, I am creating a new folder. Okay, which will be my Python training. Okay, this is my Python training project. Okay, ignore each and every, ignore other things. Okay, just give the location of this and just click create. What it will do, it will kind of create a new project with Python, like name as Python training. And if you observe the desktop, you can see the folder Python training over here. If you open the Python training function, I think it's yet to, okay. Yeah, for the very first time, it will take some time because it will be kind of configuring its Python. At backend, what PyCharm will be doing, it will be installing Python for us. We don't need to do that. From the next time, we can kind of, it won't take that much time. Okay. Now, if you see this, this was created. Okay. So if you open this folder now, the desktop Python training, you can see this has created two things. One is virtual environments and one is main. So what PyCharm is trying to do is it is trying to create a main function with the like a main function which will be kind of the main entry point for each and every project. Okay. So for now, just ignore this. So just remember only one thing, PyCharm will consider every folder as a project, and within project, we can have our own files, Python files. Even this virtual environment, just ignore it. It is kind of bit advanced, which is kind of, it will create a virtual isolated environment for our development. Okay. Now I am clicking on this folder over here and I am creating new file, new Python file. Okay. And you can give name Python basics or else Python, yeah, basics. Now, if you see here, Python basics.py, we have created a file named Python basics.py. And within this, I can do the very first thing, which is print. Hello, this is my first line of programming journey. Okay. Everyone will type introduce us with hello world, but we can go with our own. Like, this is my first line of Python programming journey. Okay. This will be the very first line you'll be coding in your Python file. Okay. And just once this is done, just carefully observe here. By default, it will consider main as the current file, running file. You just need to select the current file over here and click on run. You have this run python basics.py, right? You can either click on this button, which will be running us, or else you can just type shift F10. Okay, shift and F10. But just you can click on this whenever you need to execute. And this is the terminal window, console basically, where you can see, hello, this is my first line of Python programming and process is finished. Okay. Now we can have A is equal to 8, B is equal to 10.5, C is equal to I am a string. Okay. And okay, what I'm doing now, I have created three variables ABC and I'm just printing them. Okay. Now you can see, hello, this is my first line of Python programming. And then we have 8, 10.5, and I am string. Okay. We can have some complex things as well if needed. Okay. Let's say print A plus B. And you can see that what it's doing, it is performing addition operation within print statement and it is giving us the result of 18.5. Okay. Fine, right? Hello.
Yes, Mahesh,
Yeah.
I can
Yeah.
understand.
Okay, so you can do this thing. You can just install PyCharm and you can just create a project and you can print on your own. Like you can kind of play with the stuff like variables, what are these things and what are the different data types. You can play with them. Okay.